So in the ring system, here you can see in the diagram there's one main fuse box. From the main fuse box, all these wires are taken and circulated in different rooms of the house. Suppose this is one room of our house. Then all the three wires, this live wire, then this neutral wire and this earth wire. Okay. All these three wires are taken from main fuse box. It is circulated all throughout the room and it is then taken back to the main fuse box again. Here you can see different appliances are connected. There's lamp, then there's socket outlet, and there are some other appliances like fan and so. Each appliance is having its own fuse, its own switch. Here you can see, like for lamp, here is the fuse and here is the switch. So if you want to install one new appliance in a room, like if we want to install one more tube light in our room, we don't need to move back to the main distribution box. Like for the tree system, what was required for each appliance, we needed to take the connection from distribution board. Here it is not so. Just from this ring that is circulating in our room, from that ring itself you can take the connection and you can install our equipment, our gadgets or whatever it is. Clear? This ring system is having many more advantages. First of all, the advantages is that I told here, you don't need to take the connection from the distribution board. Just from the ring that is circulating, from there only you can take the connection for your appliance. This itself will save our cost. You won't require much more lengthy wires. Okay, so that will save our cost. Also, you can have different sockets of same size and shape connected in this ring system. But one thing you must remember, that if this socket is made for connection of microwave and there's another socket which is made for connection of mobile charging. So both these sockets can be of same shape and size, but they should have their own fuse rating. Their fuse rating must be different so as to prevent from shocks and so. Then there's one more profit for it is these appliances, because they have separate fuse. Like if this lamp is not working because of short circuiting and all, it won't affect the working of this socket or this fan. These appliances work independently of each other.